Namaste student, myself Dr. Suresh Agar, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today I will discuss about experiment number 7, identification and nature of damage of important diseases, then symptoms and sign. What is symptoms? Symptom external expression or the evidence of the abnormality in the appearance of the disease plant brought about by the pathogens after host pathogen interaction. Then sign is when the pathogen itself become visible on the host surface in the form of its organs or structures. Example, Sclerotia mycelium. Then disease syndrome. What is disease syndrome? A sum total of variety of symptoms produced by the diseases. Then symptoms of plant diseases due to the color and appearance of visual pathogen, its structure and organs. Then first is mildew. Mildew consists white, grey, brownish, and purplish pathogen growth on the host surface. Downy mildew is characterized by a tangled, cottony, and downy growth, mostly on the lower surface of the leaf. On other plant parts. Then powdery mildew consists enormous number of the spores are formed on superficial growth of the fungus, giving a dusty and powdery appearance on the host surface. Then black minute protein bodies may also develop in the powdery mass. Then second is rust. Rust appears relatively small pustules of the spores, usually breaking through the host epidermis. Pustule is a small blister-like elevation of the epidermis, often opening to expose spores. The pustules may be rusty or compact and red, brown, yellow, and black in color. Then smut. Smut means a sooty or charcoal-like powder. The affected parts of the plants show black or purplish black dusty area. Symptoms usually appears on the floor organs, particularly the ovulatory areas. The pustules on the leaf and stems are usually larger than those of rust. Then white blister. The white blister is like pustules appearance on the leaf and other parts of the cruciferous plants, which break open the epidermis and expose powdery masses of spores. Such symptoms are called white rust, although there is nothing common with them and the rust. Then blotch. It consists of superficial growth, giving the affected plant parts, fruits, and leaf smoky appearance. Example is sooty blot of apple. The Sclerotia, a Sclerotimus, a compact, often hard mass of the dormant fungus mycelium. And exudation is a mass of bacterial cells ooze out of the surface of the affected organs, where they may be seen as a drop or smear in several bacterial diseases, such as bacterial blight of paddy, gummosis of stone fruits, and fire blight of apple and pears. They form crust after drying. Then mycelium growth appearance of white cottony mycelial growth of the fungi like uh, Demoto parenchymatous on affected roots of apple in important diagnostic features of white root rot in the field. Then symptoms resulting from internal disorder in the host plants. First is color change. Discoloration, change of the color from normal. It is one of the most common symptoms of the plant disease. The green pigment of leaves disappears entirely and is replaced by yellow pigments. Then etiolation is yellowing due to the lack of light. Colosis is yellowing due to the low temperature and lack of iron. Uh, then overgrowth of hypertrophy. Hypertrophy is the abnormal increase in the size of the plant organs due to the increase in the size of the cells of a particular tissue. Then hyperplasia, the abnormal increase in the size of the plant organ due to increase in the number of cells of which the tissue or organ is composed, owing in to increased cell division. The overgrowth cause galls, curl pockets or bladders, hairy root, which broom inmergence. Then heterotropy and hypoplasia or dwarfing. Uh, Heterotropy is a inhibition of the growth and thereby showing stunning and dwarfing effect of the plants. And the whole plants may be dwarf or only certain organs are affected. Example: rice dwarf, Phenope peach. Then necrosis. Necrosis is a death of the cells, tissues, and organs occurs as a result of parasitic activity. And the characteristic appearance of the dead areas differs with different host organs and with different parasites. Necrotic symptoms include spots, streaks, or strips, canker, blight, dumping of burn, scald, or the scotch and rot, wilt. Then dieback and weather tip. The dieback symptoms are characterized by drying of the plant organs, especially stem or branches from the tip backward. And it is also form of necrosis caused directly by the pathogen or its toxins. And this is a identification and nature of damage of important diseases. Thank you.